Today, employees and visitors want choice and convenience. You can have efficiency while answering that demand and deliver the highest levels of security with HID Mobile Access. HID Mobile Access is powered by Seos credential technology, enabling you to extend functionality to a variety of mobile devices on your terms, while being able to scale up or down cost-effectively. Here's how it might look for your business. You leverage the always-on go-to technology of mobile to deliver an experience that strengthens your organization's modern appeal. You land the star job candidate you've been pursuing. Your administrator uses mobile IDs via the online management portal to send the new employee her mobile credential. She uses her mobile phone to enter the building on her first day. You're happy knowing your employee's trusted identity is secured with the highest industry standards. It's also good to know this credential will be closely guarded by your employee. Old ways won't open new doors. Hang up on the past and say hello to HID Mobile Access.